Hello, good morning, fans. This is Veena Reddy signing in. There are three types of today. I am going to talk about the various personalities in the human nature. There are three types of personalities depend upon their sensitivity, their reaction to the environment, their feelings, their way of manifestations. There are three types of personalities are audio, visual and kinesthetic. Audio personality, they mainly give importance to the vocabulary, audio and hearing factors. And the visual personalities, they are more rely upon visualizations. And these kinesthetic personalities, they rely upon touch, feeling of touch, love, care, kinesthetic. That is motor actions. So, in a family, if one husband and wife is a kinesthetic and husband is an audio. See what happens. If they go to a party and wife is dressed so beautifully and she looks very beautiful and she wore a nice sari and she wants husband to apprise her with the feeling of touch, patting like that. But husband doesn't care for it, and when they go for party, if everybody in the party appraises her, husband feels the part of appraisal. Then, oh, everybody is appraising her, means she is really she is very beautiful. Then he realizes. So this is a simple trivial matter where the sensitivity arises between spouses and partners in their life, and it leads to tensions. Also, if both the husband and wife, they will go for shopping. Husband is visual and wife is kinesthetics. Then usually in selection of clothes, selection of dresses, husband goes for more glittering material and wife goes for more texture of the cloth and its feeling. So this is simple trivial matters of likes and dislikes, sensitivity arises. So everybody, they should understand themselves, understand between spouses, they have to coordinate with each other and they have to live their life, because life is blissful and we should make it blissful. That's it. And the thing in the office, if the employee is kinesthetic and the boss is visual personality, the matter goes like through. Like employee works hard and presents a perfect presentation of a project. Instead of, and he wants a appraisal from the boss, but boss, instead of appraising him for his work, he says, come on and type it neatly and then present it. What is this presentation? It should appear neat. It's because he is visualized personality. So the tension, the whole tension goes on the employee. He frustrated. He instead of getting appraisal, I got all the bad words I have to hear from the boss. He gets frustrated and he tenses up. If he goes home, he instantly he ponders upon his wife, and he shifts his tension to his wife. Without any reason, he may abuse his wife, he may act badly with the wife, and the shift goes on to the wife. And wife, what she can do, poor little woman, she shifts her tension to the boy or girl. They are going to the playground for playing. She goes on. She shifts her tensions to the boy or girl, and instead, with the burden of that frustration, the boy went outside, and naturally he makes a quarrel with the friends, and he releases his burden. Uh, so what happens here? The friend, they may abuse each other, and they may go for a fight. And ultimately how it lands up, it lands up in a big issue where either both the parents are involved. It makes a big issue, big problematic scene. So this is all. And so human mind is designed and depicted to attract negative things, because because our subconscious mind is lazy and to think deeper towards the how to manifestations, towards the positivity, towards the think process, thoughting, everything. Man usually in the first instance cannot think deeper, and he acts superficially and responds superficially, because angry is also a frequency of universe. If we are very angry, we are inviting universe, you are communicating with the universe with the fact that I am the responding center of anger, and please bring more anger to me, please bring more anger to me. So universe, what it facilitates, what it understands, oh, this is the center, receiving center of anger, so he is vibrating with anger, so I will pour more anger into his receiving state. So in the same wise, many situations, people, problems, they ponder upon into your life to invite you to more aggressive anger into your life. So this fact, if you in the contrary, if you respond with gratitude, love, peace, then universe understands that, oh, this is the man of gratitude, love, peace, so I will pour more success, more abundance into his house, into his personality. So likewise it happens, because universe responds only through vibrations and frequency. If the frequency both matches, frequency of abundance and frequency of love matches with each other, and with frequency of gratitude, the man matches the frequency. So universe will pour abundance, success, peace, and health, everything healthy, this thing in your healthy habits in your life. Always there is a saying that gratitude is the gateway of success and abundance, and complaining is the gateway of scarcity and failure. Thank you, friends.